उसके अंदर अपनी शर्ट, मंजिल को चली सवारी, कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी।
This week is one full week of exercise, a project with journalism students, wherein they get an experience of working in a newsroom when not really being in a newsroom. So what we actually do, we create a mock newsroom setup, and we publish 4 days of print newspaper, and then we do a digital news portal for 2 days, where the class of journalism is divided into teams of reporters, copy editors, designers, photographers, etc. They are assigned different beats, different areas that they can report in. So for example, somebody is assigned a civic beat, a health beat, a crime beat. So they go follow these beats, talk to people, find out news leads, tips that they can get from whichever places, and they write the stories, edit it, and put it in the design of a newspaper. So we have named this newspaper as the Daily Gazette, produced by students of BAMFC journalism.
हाथ में फाइल, मन में दम, मीलों मील चलेंगे हम, हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे, टस से मस ना होंगे हम। दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो।
Which beat did you enjoy the most working on?
The beat that I enjoyed the most working on was sports beat, and sports के बीट में मैं ऑन फील्ड रिपोर्टिंग पे थी, और उधर मैंने लाइव मैचेस देखे जो MFA ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया था। तो मैंने उसका पूरे 90 मिनट्स के 2 मैचेस देखे, और उस पर आर्टिकल्स लिखा था, उस पर बहुत मज़ा आया। और फिर मेरा जो स्पोर्ट्स का एक आर्टिकल था वो फर्स्ट पेज पे भी पब्लिश हुआ था, तो उस पर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा।
What challenges did you face when you went on ground for reporting?
So basically, there were many challenges faced by all of us, I think. But what I faced is the authorities were not ready to speak to us. I visited to 4 hospitals, and none of them were ready to speak to me. Some even told me that journalists को यहाँ entertain नहीं करते हैं and everything. But still, I said that I won't be giving up, and I came back with 3 stories actually. So that was. What I learned in this news week is that I learned to overcome situations like this, challenges to be cut kar dena.
I think healthcare is a very hard beat to cover because medical officials are not ready to talk because सब लोग ये बोलते हैं हम बहुत busy है, will not entertain journalists. And yesterday only I was covering a story in our digital ka first day, and I went to the hospital to take a picture of a story I was covering. And then I was manhandled by 2 female officials there. I was almost thrown out of the hospital, even though I had clarified कि मैं कौन हूँ, that I'm a journalist and everything. Yet they were like कि आप कहाँ से आए हो, and very aggravated. So I did survive that sort of assault and everything. But yeah, so be there if you know the consequences to the stories you're going to cover, and be safe.
नहीं रहे और ये फिर रो दी पुलिस के सामने। पुलिस ने पानी पिलाया, स्टोरी नहीं।
कल न्यूज़ स्टेशन मैनेजर ने इतना घुमाया,
आयुषी को पूछो।
It has been granted by the bank or any of its group companies to Miss Butch after retirement.
As the owner of the Daily Gazette, how do you approve or reject the stories?
The first and the most important criteria is applying news values. Whether the story is recent, whether the story has some impact on people, whether it is relevant to the people who will be reading it, whether it is factual, authentic or not. These are the few criteria. Of course, there are many others, but these are the few ones that we look at to start with. And then we find out whether we have sources who are speaking to us on record, whether the information is credible or not, whether the news is already published somewhere else or not, because reporters are supposed to get the stories first hand. If that is not happening, then the stories get rejected. If there are no sources, then the stories
Overall
get rejected.
Newsweek experience.
Thank you. The experience was challenging yet fun because I got to do a lot of stuff which I've never done before. Like I got to do on-field reporting. I did business reporting. I did civic reporting. I sat on the desk for the international beat, which was so much fun. I did copy editing. I'm doing feature editing today. I wrote features. I did research. So everything which is done in our newsroom, I got the chance to do it. I did not choose to do sports and politics because that is something which I don't enjoy that much, or maybe I don't understand that much. But yeah, Newsweek was fun.
के कभी गुलाम नहीं, इन्हें किसी बात का ध्यान नहीं, तितली से मिलने जाते हैं, ये पेड़ों से बतियाते हैं, ये हवा बटोरा करते हैं, बारिश की बूंदें पड़ते हैं और आसमान के कैनवस पे ये कलाकारियां करते